So this has just been delivered. It's a 1989 Jaguar XJ6, but slightly different in the fact that this is the supercharged model, so known as the XJR. If you look online, you can find plenty of the XJ40 series, which this is. You find plenty of them around, but you won't find many XJRs in this shape. I've had a look, there aren't many. This one wants a full restoration. Everything from welding to getting the engine started, to paintwork, to roof lining, all the usual suspects really. But it's a complete car. The nice thing with it is the fact it's that supercharged model, and the fact that it's showing 49,000 miles, which seems to be correct. It's got an absolute stack of history in the car as well. It's fairly straight on the body, as you can see. It wants a bonnet and a grille. I suspect that's been parked near a hedge, and the hedge has grown and touched the front of it, and it's held moisture on the panel. It's got 4 decent tyres that have just been fitted, and the alloys are actually in decent nick. The leather's in fairly decent nick, but the body kit's in decent nick. But let's be honest, I mean, I like this kind of detail in here. I love that sort of thing. The XJR with the vents, you know, and especially when you've got the nice bubble of rust directly above it. Lovely bit of detail in that. Yeah, so body kit's looking well, panels are looking straight and good, apart from that bonnet. Straight down the other side as well. Sunlight's going to be you can see that straight. Another thing I really liked about it, I'll show you the leather, but straight on the door, on the pillar rather. The leather's nice, and the leather again is in keeping with the mileage, as is the service history, the MOT history. You know, everything stacks up. I suspect one of the reasons the car's not starting at the moment is the fact that it's devoid of a battery, and I suspect if you put a battery on it, that Clifford immobiliser will probably start to wreak havoc, but we'll have to see when we get some fresh fuel in it and a battery. These door cards are really rare. I've never seen this before on a Jaguar, and I've had plenty of Jaguars. That looks very oldie weldy Jaguar, that logo, to me. And the way it's on the walnut almost looks reminiscent of an Aston Martin type way of doing things. Again, supercharged steering wheel with the Sport logo on it. Sport embossed into the headrests there. It's got a rear blind that apparently has got the Jaguar logos on the rear blind. Back seat's looking nice. Roof lining, unfortunately, is stereotypical of a Jaguar roof lining. What's known in the trade as, yeah, completely. And then we've got some problems with the walnut here. We've got some problems with the walnut on here. We've got some problems with the walnut there, starting to go under the lacquer. But, you know, that's bad. That's bad. The gear knob's pretty bad. Walnut on the dashboard itself's alright. As I say, that's the history folder, so I'll get that out later, go through that, and I'll show you what's in amongst that. And I'll update you on the journey. First stop will be to see if we can get it to run, and then take a view on it from there, so wish me luck.